Hello, Wavers. This is Cousin Brad, and you're watching Cousin Cooks. Today we'll be making a real Utah favorite, fry sauce. First, you take the mayonnaise and you take off the lid, and then you can dip a little bit out and put it in the thing. Then you knock the lid off the relish, and then you take the ketchup, any brand will do, and then you put that in a different bowl. Not too much, because you want to have an equal mayonnaise to ketchup ratio. And then some people like to mix the mayonnaise in with the ketchup. I dance to the beat of my own drum, and so I'll mix the ketchup in with the mayonnaise. You put that in the thing, and for some real flavor to your fry sauce, I like to put a little bit of dill pickle relish in. I want to use a clean utensil. And then I just put a little bit of relish to add it to my fry sauce. And then you put that on the thing. And then you just give it a spin. And there you have it. Fry sauce. This will satisfy 3 to 6 people and cost you about $2. And I'm Cousin Brad, and this has been Cousin Cooks.